Doing anyway?
Nothing, taping here.
Is it recording? How come it's on there and there?
Because I hooked it up through the TV. It's for your show, the Lisa Show.
Cool. Is it?
And we can have like one videotape of you on TV, and we can have another videotape of your like aside shots where you go to the other person, like there.
Don't know what you're talking about, but anyways.
Remember, you wanted to be the star of a show called the Lisa Show?
Yeah, the web show.
Okay, so I got a camera, I got a TV, I got a big display TV. We can put stuff on the TV, and well.
Oh, so I can see myself, see what I'm doing and all that?
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry.
No, do that. Why not? Mock it up for the camera. It's on, tape. Might as well go insane. You do it all the time anyway.
Yeah, that's true. You mean this is the Lisa Show right now? It's on the air?
Well, will be. We've got to edit it up, put captions, music, and transitions, and cool, funky graphics.
Yeah.
Get dressed.
Still got to get dressed, though.
What is that wet thing there?
This is what I look at when I look on my video screen.
You don't like it.
It won't actually show up on the actual recording.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's good. That wasn't like, what does that mean by why? Right. Yeah.
Oh, I was just talking to your mom about this. Watch the screen. I'll hit this button. I'll hit this button. Oh, maybe you can't do it. Okay.
Buddy. Boy, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Buddy, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Yes, look at the camera. You don't have to.
Yes, you picture perfect, aren't you, buddy? Yes, you are.
Oh, yeah, that's a good topic. Apparently, animals can't love. That was the first thing I wanted to talk to you about on the Lisa Show.
Mama, can you be the recorder for a minute? Because I've got an interviewer. Somebody to interview.
Well, so what's your opinion? Do animals love or not?
I think animals can love any way they want. They can love if they want it.
I didn't love you.
And if they don't want to love, then they don't have to love. But my opinion, Buddy can love. And baby kitty over here. Baby kitty.
Zoom.
Baby kitty.
Well, that cat puts up with a lot, I'll tell you.
It's okay. This is Tigger. I call him Baby Kitty. He's very, very frisky. Now, Tigger, can you love? Yes, you can. And you can also. I think animals can have any emotion they want. I mean, my fish. Some people wonder, can fish have emotions? That's what I wonder too. Can they? But maybe we should go see a scientist. Maybe they'll find out. Not. They're probably going to say fish can love. But they most likely can. Who in this room thinks fish can love? Raise your hand. Nobody thinks fish can love. Who thinks they can love? Who thinks they can't love? Just me, people? You're supposed to be having an opinion. My cat's freaking out here. Yeah, my cat does that sometimes. But, as you can see, what corner? Right. Right. I mean, over here. Right in this bit. I want the cat, kitty. Right here. Right there. Cat's kind of freaking out, yeah. My cat does that sometimes. My cat has to be picture perfect. Okay, back over here, bud.
I want to see this.
Kitty. Attack!
Don't encourage them. Good job. I know. Who's your good dog?
Over here, hello. I'm right